Hey everyone, and welcome. Want to track your website traffic like a pro without bogging down your JupyterX site with extra plugins? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Analytics using the Custom Snippets feature. No need for yet another plugin. We'll grab your tracking code and pop it right into your site's header. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor. No Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started. All right, let's head over to the admin section in Google Analytics dashboard. Next, I'll click on Data Streams under the Data Collection and Modification section. Now, I'll select my data stream. This opens up the web stream details, which is where we can find our Google tag. Now, scrolling down, we'll find the Google Tag section. Here, we can configure tag settings, manage connected site tags, and view tag instructions. Let's open the View Tag Instructions. Select to install manually, and copy the Google tag to the clipboard. Now, let's go to JupyterX dashboard. Now, I'm navigating to the Custom Snippets section. This is where we can add code snippets without using extra plugins. Let's click Add Custom Snippet to begin creating our new snippet. This will let us add the Google tag to our site. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is give our snippet a name. Make sure the after head is selected as the location of the snippet. Okay, now we can see the section where we're going to paste the Google tag. Let's paste in the Google tag here. All right, I'm going to set the condition for which pages this code snippet should be inserted. To make sure the tag works on every page, I'm selecting Entire Site from the drop-down menu and click Create. And there you have it. By using custom snippets, Google Analytics is now active on our JupyterX website without the need for yet another plugin. Now you can track all that valuable website traffic data without adding any extra plugins. Pretty neat, huh? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Happy tracking!